Hujambo, welcome to. In the previous lesson, we learned about animals. If you haven't checked that video, kindly check it out. Let's begin with the domesticated birds. We have the hen, which is mwera. We have the cock or rooster, which is jogoo. Then hen and jogoo, you can generally refer to them as kuku. Then we have the chick, which is kifaranga, that is the young one of the hen. Then we have the duck, which is bata. We have the goose, that will be bata bukini. We have the turkey, that will be bata mzinga. Then we have the guinea fowl, that will be kanga. Ostrich is mbuni. Hawk is mwewe. Owl is bundi. Eagle is kipanga. Crow is kunguru. Crane is kongoro. Swallow is mbayuwayu. Pigeon is njiwa. Songbird is chiriku. Insects in Kiswahili are wadudu. We have the bee, which is nyuki. Spider is buibui. The fly is nzi. You don't say nzi, say nzi. Looks like, so that it may look like an N was added, but you don't add an N. Then we have butterfly is kipepeo. Mosquito is mbu. Also you say mbu, you don't say mbu. Then we have cockroach, which is mende. Ants is siafu, and grasshopper is pansy. The lice is chawa. Flea is kiroboto. Termite is mchwa. Cricket is nyenje. Caterpillar is kiwavi. Moth is nondo. Praying mantis is kivunja jungu. Kivunja jungu. Then we have dragonfly is kerengende. 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 Comment down below the birds and insects you would like to know in Swahili that I have not covered, and I will gladly reply to you. Otherwise, I wish you a good day. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Goodbye. Kwaheri.